Happy Thursday, Hope class. Last day of school this week and then a 4-day break. I know you're excited. I am as well. Just a quick reminder for those of you who have not turned in your love letter, it is due by 3 p.m. today. For those of you who have turned it in, thank you very much. Some of them are absolutely fantastic. I want you to take these next 4 days, have a wonderful and happy Easter with your family. Enjoy your time off. Please be safe. And then we will get back next Tuesday and we'll get after it one more time. What I thought I would do, and as wishing you a happy Easter, is play you Here Comes Peter Cottontail, sung by Danny Kaye. I hope you enjoy, and I'll see you next Tuesday.
Peter Cottontail, you have shown great ingenuity, and therefore you have won the right to be official Chief Easter Bunny. And on Easter morning, Peter was off again. Only now he was the Easter Bunny. All of his friends turned out to greet him, because everybody knew that Peter Cottontail was on his way. Here comes Peter Cottontail, hopping down the bunny trail. Hippity-hopping, Easter's on its way. Bringing every girl and boy baskets full of Easter joy, things to make your Easter bright and gay. He's got jelly beans for Tommy, colored eggs for Sister Sue. There's an orchid for your mommy, and an Easter bunny too. Here comes Peter Cottontail, hopping down the bunny trail. Hippity-hopping, happy Easter day. Pierre! Listen, Pierre! Antoine, where are you? Up here. Look what has happened. You like my new Easter outfit, eh? Well, I went to sleep for a few months, and when I wake up, voila, I was butterflied. Come on, you can help. You can all help, everybody. Here comes Peter Cottontail, hopping down the bunny's trail. Look at him stop, listen to